to detention. Folks, my name is Mr. Barbary. I want to enlighten you on my rules. Rule number 1, no phones. Rule number 2, no talking. Rule 3, you're here to do work. I expect you to do work. Get out your homework and begin. Listen, we gotta put that away. We need to be working on this stuff right here.
Whatever.
This stuff. Don't whatever me. Help? Help me?
Do you really think I wrote that? Me need help?
You are in detention.
I don't need any help.
Listen, no more notes. I want this done.
Hey.
Hey! Hey!
What happened?
Lights!
Oh, hey, where'd Barbara go?
And you said you didn't write this, did you?
Nope.
What's so funny?
You guys might want to come over here because one of two things has happened.
What do you mean, one of two things has happened?
Well, I mean, this is almost exactly like the video game Slenderman. I mean, this note looks exactly like a note on the game. I mean, it's too much to be coincidental. It's crazy.
Whatever, you guys are crazy. He's probably just playing a joke on us.
So what's the gist of this game?
Basically, you're a guy running around the woods while this giant 10-foot tall demon hunts you down. He's got no face, like none at all, it's white head, and he gets you. Don't turn your back to him.
Ha ha, guys, very funny.
What happened to the blonde chick?
I don't know, but I'm getting out of here.
Dude, I'm leaving too.
Hey guys, where are you going? It's your own funeral. You can't outrun him.
I see him!
Hi!
Follow me.
Hey, I'm getting a text.
How do we beat this thing?
We turn back to back. He can't make a move on us if we're looking at him.